Hey guys, another short video, this time on my 2016 Jeep Wrangler JK Sahara. I am replacing the coolant temperature sensor, and there's a lot of videos out there wanting you to take the front tire out, tear up your wheel wall, and start fishing in there and pray to God you find it. I found an easier way of doing this without taking all that and going through all that trouble and tearing up your truck. So, all right, let's get started. All right, your sensor is going to be located right by the rear block on the driver's side. Easiest way to find this is you're going to kind of look deep in there and you're going to find a little red tab. Let's try to focus in here. Come on, focus. The tools you're going to need for this project will be your deep socket, 15mm or 3/4, a socket elbow, 2 extensions, unless you already have one that will extend about 18 inches, and then your ratchet. And of course, you're going to need your parts and some anti-seize lubricant. Now, to put these together, you're going to need your elbow, because it's going to take some maneuvering inside there. You have very limited space. Put together, put this, and you need about a total of 18 inches in length. And that would be your entire setup right there. All right, so let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is take this, reach in there and put this right over the sensor. Once it's in place, then you reach over and then you connect this. You cannot take this whole piece and expect to insert it right into the sensor in one piece like this. You gotta install this one first over the sensor and then connect this one. All right, so you start by taking your hood, opening it all the way back so you get as much light as you can, because you're going to need it in there. You come up here and carefully you brace yourself. Might have to put your right hand here to kind of balance yourself, and then your right hand right through the space right here is where you're going to maneuver your hand and arm to go reach for that tab all the way down there. Once you've gotten your fingers on that tab, pull that red piece up, press the black piece that's in the middle of it, and then pull that socket out from the sensor. Now this is a job that is, you're going to be doing this blindly. You're going to depend on your feel versus your sight. Most likely you'll be looking at this right here and then working back there, and you just got to feel for it. And once you feel like you've gotten the sensor adapter, then start unlocking it and then pulling it out. All right, so once you've pulled up that lock, that red lock right there, there's a little black piece that you have to press on. Once you have that pressed in, pull up and the connector will come out. That's half your battle. So once you're up here, you can see how I connected my socket along with my extension all the way up to here. It's this whole setup right here. And then all you gotta do is turn it counterclockwise to loosen it and take it out. So you can see where my arm is. That's how I was reaching in there, and voila, your sensor. Okay. All right, guys, so this is your temperature sensor right here. When you prep your new one, make sure you apply Loctite, not Teflon. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna do everything in reverse and put everything back. And that is how your sensor looks with a deep socket. Guys, last part, don't forget to jack your front of your Jeep passenger side. And anytime you work on your coolant, you always got to burp it. Alright, that's it. That's my homemade burper right there. There's other YouTubes on how to burp. Alright, and that's it. Job done. Without having to tear up your truck. There's always an easier way. So hopefully this video helps. Good luck, guys.